mantra has got a certain small secrets that can help you to enhance and reap the benefit of it. The one of it is to be able to repeat it a certain fixed number of times daily, usually 1,000, or according to the Vedic tradition, 1008 minimum every day. Don't miss any single day in between. You'll lose the count that you acquired in sets of 10,000. So they work in sets of 10,000. After 10,000, you can take a short break if you need, but do sets of 10,000 and reaching levels of you reach like one level every 100,000, and you need to do 100 sets of 100,000 to reach 1 crore or 10 million, and that is like one accomplishment, one like a degree you got, or a certificate course. You got one certification, and you get a multiple certifications. You get awarded a degree, and then you get a postgraduate degree, and you have to do multiple sets of 10 crores in a long period. But you do it also with a certain breathwork panel. Breathe in through the nostril and then chant, then breathe in. Only don't breathe in through the mouth. When you're doing high counts, you'll start experiencing pain in your body. So your breath is going to help, and then the pain will not happen. And it also is a type of pranayama. You'll notice your mind becoming calmer and calmer, and the number of incantations you can do in one breath starts increasing. You'll initially be able to do 3, then 10, then 20, 30, even 50, 60. You can do in one breath. Even your breath becomes so absolutely fine and slow. And try to bring your mind, to it. But the big secret is the breath, and then minimum count on a daily basis, and sit, comfortably, on a couch. If you can sit cross-legged, it's going to help you, that much better to focus. And then when your legs are paining, uncross it, and eventually you can sit longer and longer and longer and longer. With time, it's going to greatly improve your focus and concentration, right, in the mantra itself. So there is a lot of other nuanced things regarding this. You can see some of my videos, visit my YouTube channel, and remember, if you are considering some type of health issues, feel free to contact me to consider energy healing as a non-invasive and very powerful, proven, ancient method that I've spent decades mastering, right? Visit my website, yogawellness786.com, and the first consultation is free, right? Contact me for a free consultation. Take care of yourself always.